Hi everyone, my name is Sumit Saurav. I'm the founder of Khar Comedy Club. We have been running this club for almost 2 years now. Now finally we have our own space. ये सारा कुछ हमने बेयरशल यूनिट में बनाया है. To make this comedy club, मैंने बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल कॉमेडी क्लब और थिएटर्स को रिसर्च किया और उसमें से जो भी टेक थी, किस तरह से वो ऑपरेट करते हैं, कैसे चलता है, द बिजनेस मॉडल एंड एवरीथिंग. यहाँ पे जो लाइटिंग सिस्टम यूज़ किया है हमने इज़ द सेम लाइटिंग सिस्टम जो कि मेडिसन स्क्वायर गार्डन में यूज़ किया गया है, एनमैक में यूज़ किया गया है, सो थिएटर में यूज़ किया गया है. स्पीकर दैट वी आर यूजिंग राइट नाउ इज़ RCF TT सीरीज. ये थिएटर्स में यूज़ होता है और इटली से इम्पोर्ट किया गया है. इट्स बेसिकली मिड रेंज के लिए काफ़ी अच्छे स्पीकर्स हैं वोकल प्रेजेंस के लिए. So apart from Khar Comedy Club, this space also caters to a lot of events which is not comedy.
I'm Prerna Kothari, the founder of Loft 52. Loft 52 is a boutique event space situated in Khar Linking Road. It falls under the bigger umbrella of Khar Comedy Club. Loft 52 was born with the intention of hosting different art and cultural activities, anything and everything which goes beyond comedy, be it poetry, dance, yoga, meditation, podcast shoot, movie screenings, secret supper, pop-ups, exhibition stalls.
One thing was clear, we want to create an experience for the audience and the artists. They should leave everything outside and just be here for whatever duration they are there.
I'm Kishan Shah.
I'm Manani Patel, co-founders and principal architects from Compartment S4. It was a multi-purpose space, that is what they had visualized.
And the location of it being in Khar was of so much importance that we had to really rack our brains and understand how to make this space multifunctional.
The concept of the art deco that has been prevalent in Mumbai, we wanted to bring the flavor of that in our design. That's how the color palette actually played along, and we did a lot of iterations.
We wanted to create that recall value with the stage backdrop becoming something which is much more dynamic and something which remains in your memory. So there is the rotating panels that we had designed, the stage backdrop, and then the loft. These three are kind of the main heart of the space.
The way you've designed the loft is something that's very interesting for anyone who controls lighting and sound both.
Hi, this is Rajan Gupta, founder and owner for High-Tech Audio and Image. The first choice obviously was ETC, and it is known for bringing out the best skin quality, colors, renders and longevity, the broadcast quality lights.
यहाँ पे कॉमेडी क्लब भी है, डांस स्टूडियोज़ भी है, सेमिनार्स भी हो गए, बहुत सारी सब चीज़ें हो गई. तो ये लाइटिंग उसके लिए ही बनी है, सब चीज़ ऑटोमेटेड होता रहेगा. And the major part is like energy management. It's the best automation company currently, but why we went with Akara, the reason behind was कम lights हो, but वो quality वाली lights हो.
When it comes to sound, then we propose them the RCF. My personal favorites, the TT series speakers, which is typically theater and touring. These are very small, compact speakers delivering natural sound. It's not a colored sound, and you would be amazed the kind of output these small 8-inch speakers give.
What you have done with tech is that you've simplified it and made it to a one-stop solution.
I want people to come discover this place and tell me, they give me the possibilities of what all things can happen over here. The best part about this place is it's completely modular. With the curtains, the space gives a different vibe. Without the curtains, it's pure daylight coming in. Even the green room in itself seems like a separate room.
The space kind of transforms into what you want it to be. And that's why it's not limited to a comedy club. The programming of the space is expanding itself to doing so many things which involve culture, which involve art for the people who want to engage with community all the time.
I want to make this space as an enabler for a lot of good ideas. Creativity should not stop.